Here's just a quick explanation of what's happening on search at the moment. So if you see here on the Google search panel, they've just introduced recently there the AI mode. So essentially what it's allowing people to do now is do your regular search here or switch to AI mode, which is kind of going into Google Gemini, which is a kind of a ChatGPT equivalent. Now, that eventually, I predict within the next 6 maybe to 12 months, that the role might be reversed here and AI mode might actually become the default of google.com or google.ie. So the issue that's creating for businesses at the moment is this is one of the big explanations why businesses are seeing such large drops in traffic at the moment, because search now is no longer working on the basis of people just looking for website links on regular search. What they're doing now is they're diversifying over to AI mode. And AI mode is a completely different type of search where people are putting much more depth into their questions, and they're doing much longer tail searches. Like, so instead of typing in, for example, web design company, they're typing in find me the top web design company in Cork for SMEs and that. So people are becoming a lot more specific. So regular search really is dying out, and everything is moving towards AI search where people will really be talking, instead of typing to their computers asking for services, and the AI is going to be operating more as an assistant. So this is a big threat, obviously, to a lot of companies, because companies that are ranking high now for all different services, they're seeing that dropping, they're seeing the search volume dropping. And what's necessary now is to look at equipping websites so that they're actually responding to AI, because that's where it's all going to be in the future. So I'll just give you an idea of what that actually looks like. We've been working a little bit on it ourselves over the last couple of months. So if you look here, for example, now I put into ChatGPT to give the top web design companies in Cork, and you see the digital department here is the number one result. When I go to Gemini here, I asked again, what are the top web design companies in Cork? You see the digital department number one. What we were looking for in this was to try and position ourselves as the best agency for SME businesses within AI, which we're succeeding because we're number one here, ranked on Gemini for SME businesses. So that's an idea kind of how this is working and how it's changing. And it's something that companies need to face up to, because it's changing very quickly, and over the next 6, 12, 18 months, there's going to be a drastic change in how businesses can generate traffic to their websites and how they can market their businesses online. So it's all about preparing and getting in there early and establishing yourself within AI. Okay, so any questions, give me a shout at any stage.